welcome back in. Experiencing my journey. You understand? Reflections, children, family. Now these are the Kennebec White. It's been 100 and what? Today the first day of the summer. Let me make sure. Today is the first day of the summer. I think today the 20th. Today the first day of summer. I want to say today the 20th. So they're gonna stick with that. Uh, yeah, the first day of the summer, man. I think this makes 110 days for these Kennebec Whites. You see one plant done died off completely. So I want to go ahead and get them out of here. They still look good, but then it look like they on their way. Out of all the potatoes, this was one of the ones that was looking the best the whole time. Don't know what's in here, but I know it's something in there. So we're just gonna get into it. Kennebec White potato harvest, 110 days in the soil. So you got roots all up there. Hands still hurting. So gotta use one hand. I'm dumping everything out of here. Good, man. We're gonna see what kind of white potatoes we got. Let's go. And I did put four on the here. And they wasn't that big. Got one good one so far. Look good. You know, I keep all the small ones too. The nuggets. We're gonna pull up this dead one, see what's over here. Another one. Another one. And we got the seed potato. Hold up, look like we might have a few more little nuggets up in there. Potato tot. You know. Hold up, let me dig him out of there. Oh, there goes one. Got another little tater tot head. And yeah, the seed potato. Oh, got another small one. Yeah. That's the seed potato. That's how big it was. I know now in these 7 gallons, I'm putting 1 potato, maybe 2. Let's move on to the next plant. all the little nuggets. Sweet potato. There's something up with this potato. It was growing, but I don't know what that is on there. That's that other seed potato. But I don't know what's growing on this or what happened to it. Looks like that's it. That was not that big when I put it in there at all. Or your 4 seed potatoes. Yeah, I think that's it. I know better than to put all them potatoes in a 7-gallon grow bag. Now, I know better. Yeah, I know better. But I like my harvest. I like my harvest. Cause me and my lady, she finna cook them Yukon Golds and them I think she gonna mix the Yukon Golds with some of them Lasada Red potatoes today. We got some peppers I harvested yesterday. Harvested 2 purple bells. Harvested 1 of my Chicago pickling cucumbers. I harvested 3, 4 banana peppers. I harvested 1 of my early cow, 1 of the bell peppers from out in the front right over there. That big green bell pepper. Then we got 2 green bunny bell peppers back there. I ain't even messing with them. They getting big. I'm gonna let them keep going. See if one of them gonna turn red. Have me old red bell pepper. And I got my hot peppers right there doing pretty good in the front bed right there and in the back. But this the harvest. We ain't talking about none of that. This the harvest. It's nothing major, but you know me. It's major to me. Yep. That's a handful. That's just a handful. What's all that though? Them black dots. Maybe it's just dirt. I ain't tripping. Small little white potato harvest. You know what it is, reflections. To the next go round. I'm gonna put this soil back in this grow bag and we are out of here. Man.